Welcome to the DEFCAM. The recent high-level engagement between Lieutenant General Yilma Murdasa, commander of the Ethiopian Air Force, and Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff of the Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters in Islamabad represents a significant development in international defense cooperation and underscores Pakistan's growing stature as a provider of advanced aerospace solutions. This meeting, characterized by detailed discussions on areas of professional interest and mutual commitment to enhance cooperation, signals a potential strategic realignment in African-Asian defense partnerships with substantial implications for regional security architectures. From Pakistan's perspective, this dialogue represents not merely diplomatic courtesy, but a validation of decades of investment in developing a sophisticated, integrated air warfare capability that has garnered international attention and respect. The technical foundation of this growing partnership rests upon Pakistan's demonstrated expertise in developing what military analysts term a network-centric kill chain, a fully integrated system of surveillance, command, control, and execution capabilities that maximizes combat effectiveness. During his visit, the Ethiopian commander received comprehensive briefings at the National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center and PAF Cyber Command, where he witnessed firsthand the integration of cutting-edge technologies in modern warfare. These centers represent the neural network of Pakistan's air defense architecture, combining airborne early warning and control systems with ground-based radars, satellite intelligence, and cyber warfare capabilities to create a comprehensive battlefield picture. The system enables real-time data fusion from multiple sensors, allowing for rapid decision-making and precision targeting across all domains of modern conflict. Central to the discussions was Pakistan's indigenous development of the JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter aircraft, which represents the culmination of years of research, development, and operational refinement. This advanced multi-role platform incorporates a sophisticated active electronically scanned array radar system capable of simultaneously tracking multiple targets at extended ranges while maintaining resistance to electronic countermeasures. The aircraft's open architecture design allows for seamless integration of various weapon systems, including the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile, which boasts an estimated engagement range exceeding 150 kilometers and incorporates advanced countermeasure capabilities. The JF-17 Block III's compatibility with precision-guided munitions, anti-ship missiles, and advanced reconnaissance pods makes it particularly suitable for nations seeking to establish credible deterrence across multiple mission profiles without the exorbitant costs associated with Western alternatives. The Ethiopian Air Force's interest in acquiring not merely aircraft, but an entire operational ecosystem reflects a sophisticated understanding of modern aerial warfare requirements. This comprehensive approach includes the integration of command and control infrastructure, pilot training programs, maintenance and logistics support systems, and potentially even technology transfer arrangements that would enable local maintenance and eventual component manufacturing. Pakistan's experience in establishing similar partnerships with other nations has demonstrated the importance of creating sustainable defense relationships that extend beyond simple equipment sales to encompass genuine capability development and knowledge sharing. The potential acquisition of JF-17 Block III aircraft by Ethiopia would represent a significant enhancement of that nation's aerial capabilities, providing a technological leap forward from its current inventory of Soviet-era aircraft. For Pakistan, such an agreement would validate its strategic approach to defense development, which emphasizes indigenization, cost-effectiveness, and operational relevance. The production of additional aircraft for an export customer would also benefit Pakistan's domestic aerospace industry by ensuring continued production line activity, maintaining workforce expertise, and achieving economies of scale that reduce unit costs for future domestic procurement. The training component of the proposed cooperation represents another area where Pakistan possesses significant exportable expertise. The Pakistan Air Force has developed comprehensive training programs that encompass not only basic flight instruction, but also advanced combat training, weapons school curricula, and mission commander development. These programs incorporate state-of-the-art simulation technology, including full mission simulators that accurately replicate the JF-17's cockpit systems and combat environments. The integration of Ethiopian personnel into these training pipelines would create lasting professional relationships between the two air forces while ensuring that any transfer technology is operated and maintained to its full potential. From a geopolitical perspective, this developing relationship between Pakistan and Ethiopia represents an important diversification of defense partnerships in a region traditionally dominated by Western and Russian suppliers. Pakistan's ability to offer advanced military technology without political conditionalities represents a significant advantage in the international defense market, particularly for nations seeking to maintain strategic autonomy while modernizing their armed forces. The potential success of this partnership could establish a model for similar arrangements with other African nations, creating new opportunities for South-South defense cooperation and technology sharing. The cyber warfare and electronic combat capabilities demonstrated to the Ethiopian delegation represent particularly advanced aspects of Pakistan's military modernization. The PAF Cyber Command has developed sophisticated capabilities in electronic warfare, network operations, and information security that are fully integrated with traditional aerial operations. These capabilities allow for the disruption of adversary command and control systems, protection of friendly networks, and exploitation of digital battlefield information. The integration of these capabilities with aerial platforms creates a multi-domain combat system that can operate effectively in contested electromagnetic environments. The visit also highlighted Pakistan's achievements in developing an indigenous defense industry capable of not only manufacturing advanced aircraft, but also producing the sophisticated weapons systems, avionics, and support equipment necessary to maintain operational readiness. This comprehensive industrial base represents decades of strategic investment and has positioned Pakistan as one of the few developing nations with the capability to design, develop, and produce fourth-generation fighter aircraft and their associated ecosystems. The potential transfer of some of this technology to Ethiopia would represent a significant step in the globalization of Pakistan's defense industry and a validation of its technical capabilities. In conclusion, the meeting between the commanders of the Ethiopian and Pakistani air forces represents far more than routine military diplomacy. It signifies the emergence of Pakistan as a provider of comprehensive aerial warfare solutions and the beginning of what could develop into a significant strategic partnership. The Ethiopian interest in the JF-17 Thunder Block III and its associated combat systems demonstrates the international recognition of Pakistan's achievements in developing advanced military technology that is both operationally effective and financially accessible. For Pakistan, such partnerships represent not only economic opportunities, but also strategic relationships that enhance its international standing and create opportunities for further technological advancement through shared development projects. The successful realization of this potential cooperation would mark a significant milestone in Pakistan's journey from importer to exporter of advanced military technology and would establish a new model of South-South defense cooperation based on mutual respect and shared security interests. Thanks, and stay connected for the upcoming videos.